I don't know.
I had them out here and Dad got all mad.
Why?
Because they were sitting on the counter. You can put that phone away. Where are you going?
Just out the side. Okay, anyways, welcome back to another video. I am outside with my cats. They're running away from me. Dumb cat. Oh, there's a great cat. Awesome. Awesomeness, or whatever you want to call her. Hi, you want to say hello to the vlog? Did you get any fights with them? These little brats? You're my little baby. You looked at the vlog. Great cat, what do you want? Or awesome cat? I don't know. Just gonna call you Great Cat for now. Okay, guys, go look at my clan channel, Infinite Combat Clan. Just search that up and subscribe to it if you guys want. It's me and my friends from school and 2 other people. Okay, it's a like Faith Clan. Okay, not like it, but go subscribe to it. And where you wanna go? Okay. Okay. You know how much views we're gonna get if you keep doing that? And you just meowed. I love you. Let me pick you up. Fine. Little. Hold on, let me scare these cats. Higa! Where the heck did they go? We got a runner! Oh, what you want, Great Cat? You want me? Okay. I love you. Definitely not weird at all. Okay, let's test. If you go over there where I'm gonna be,